Good day everyone, welcome to our tutorial, and this is T-Rex in the house, helping you to understand how to use the Tuxpaint, especially their tools. Okay, for now all we have to do first is to open the Tuxpaint on your desktop. Okay, this one, Tuxpaint, double click. And then the first thing you should do is to click the new tools. Okay, click new tools on the Tuxpaint. Okay, here on the left side there's a lot of tools. Look for the new tools, NEW. Click that and wait for a minute or a seconds. And then you can see there's a lot of backgrounds. Okay, for having a new way how to make a new activities in your Tuxpaint. Okay, for example, I'll choose with the heart. Okay, with the heart one to make my background. Okay, I'll click that. Okay, now I have a heart background. Okay, and first thing I should do is to use the stump. Okay, and in the stump, once you click the stump, you can see on the right corner a lot of ready picture stump. Okay, for your arts. Okay, all you have to do is to look for pictures that you really need in your paintings. Okay, for example, I want to use the I want to use the flower. Okay, so I will put the flower here and a flower here, for example. Okay, so now I need to use a ribbon. A ribbon on the center. Oh, that's not a ribbon, whatever. And I need to use the nothing. Okay, so that is the stump. All you have to do is to use the stump and look for the right corner and see a lot of pictures and choose pictures that you really want in your making an art. Okay, and when we click the paint tool, you can see here there's a lot of brushes, and all you have to do is to choose what do you need. For example, I need the heart. Okay, I need the heart. Okay, and I want my heart to be a color yellow. Okay, and then just one click. Okay, one click on your left mouse, one click, and you can see I have a yellow heart. Okay, one click again, I have a yellow heart on the left. One click again on the right, I can see a yellow, and one click on the left, I have a yellow. And then when I want red, put the red, put the red, put a red, put a red, something like that. Okay, and that is what is paint is. Okay, you can also have other picture like this. Okay, you can put lavender stars or whatever, or flowers. Okay, and something like that. Okay, so that is really good. So now I use the paint. Okay, and also the line, you can choose the line and you can choose different kind of brushes also. It depends on you. For example, I want the arrow to be used for my line. If you can see, and I put here, I make the line, hold the left click and then release it. You can see I have an arrow going there. And then when I hold the mouse again going here, you can see I have 3 arrows on the left. So that is the use of the arrow. Okay, you can also use like this dot for the arrow, for the line, and you can see when I put here I have a straight line, so that is the use of the lines. Okay, and when you click the shape tool, you can see a lot of different kind of shape. All you have to do is to choose. For example, I use the octagon and put the octagon here. I think I need to choose the brown one for the color, and hold the left mouse, and then release it, and then click again. You can see I have a octagon shape. So that is how to use the shape. Okay, so I hope you learn it. Okay, practice. Okay, so that is the shape. Okay, and when I click the text, I have a text here, and you can choose on the right the different kinds of font style of the text. For example, I need to use this one. I put here T-Rex. Okay, I think I made it yellow, just like that. Okay, now I have T-Rex. Okay, so that is the use of text. And how about the label? Label tool is also making a text also, but I'll show you what is the difference between the label text and the text. When I click here for label text, okay, I'll put T-Rex label. Okay, and then when I use the eraser, T-Rex label cannot delete. Okay, I cannot delete, but the text that I made can delete. You can delete. Okay, so label, you cannot delete it when you use the eraser, but text you can delete. So that is the use of text and label. And magic also is really different. You can make, like, you can choose any kinds of magic here, and but of course I don't know what is the use of other things. Okay, for example, I need to use the cartoons. For example, I don't know what is the use of cartoons, so I think this is one. You can see there's a black something, and I put a fish eye. Yeah, I make, you can see there is a magic that's happening. Okay, so it depends on you how you use the magic. Okay, you can try to use all these things, and then make sure that is really awesome, like this. Okay, I use the chalk, and then when I drag here, okay, the image become distorted. Okay, so that is what the use of magic. Okay, and always remember, save your file. Okay, save your file. For example, I really like this thing that I made. I need to click save. Okay, and then when after the save, if you want to create again, always click the new tool. Okay, like this. Okay, because I already saved this, and now I can select again what background that I really want. Okay, I'll select this again, and now I have this. Okay, so that is the simple tutorial on how to use the Tuxpaint, and I hope you learned something from this and try to explore Tuxpaint, and I hope you will enjoy this program, and good luck, and bye bye.